group coming up next. You know, we've been to Africa.
Yes.
Now we're going to Asia without visa.
All right.
Okay? Chartered plane. We don't need visa.
No visa.
No.
No.
We don't need country of origin.
No passport.
Just come.
No passport.
All right? And this group is none other than the aided community. Yes. Yes, yes, yes.
We're bringing
All
on
right.
Adi from
Adi.
India.
Adi.
Bring it on for India.
Adi. Everybody say Adi.
Adi.
Thank you all so much for that warm welcome. My name is Davina Atwaru. I'm the founder at Adi, a local Indian dance school. We do Bharatanatyam, which is classical Indian dance, as well as Hindi classics, the fun stuff. So today we'll do a bit of both. We'll start with classical. This is a Varanam, the masterpiece in our genre. We'll do just a small excerpt of it. It starts all about Lord Shiva, shown by my student Anjana here, Anjana Chakrabarti. All about the god named Shiva, and we're saying, my love for you, my desire for you keeps increasing. Even a gentle breeze, and even the buzzing of the bees reminds me of you, and it's too much to bear. And then we go into the second section, which talks about him as Brihadisha. There's a huge ancient temple in South India called the Brihadishwara temple. Shiva is known as Lord Brihadisha there. It's located in Tanjavur, India. So this is how we depict the city, the temple town. And in that section, we describe Shiva as being adorned by snakes, as well as by the crescent moon. Varanam by Anjana Chakrabarti. Thank you.
தஞ்ச பூரினி வேலையூ மாப்ருஹதீஷ வீனர ஸ்ரீ 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 தஞ்ச பூரினி வீனர ஸ்ரீ தஞ்ச பூரினி வேலையூ மாப்ருஹதீஷ 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 வீனர ஸ்ரீ தஞ்ச
ಢಲಂ ಕುತಕ ದಿಕ್ಕುತಕತ ದಿಂಗಿನ ತೋಂತ ತರಿತ ಧನತ ಧನತ ಜುಣುತ ಜುಣುತ ಧಿಮಿತ ತಜ್ಜಂ ಕೃದತ ತರಿತ ಧನತ ಧನತ ಜುಣುತ ಜುಣುತ ಧಿಮಿತ ತಜ್ಜಂ ಕೃದತ ಧನ ತಜ್ಜುಣು ತ ಧಿಮಿ ತ ಕಿಡ ಕೃದತ ಧನ ತಜ್ಜುಣು ತ ಧಿಮಿ ತ ಕಿಡ ತಜ್ಜನ ತಜ್ಜುಣು ತ ಧಿಮಿ ತ ಕಿಡ ತರಿ ತರಿ ತಜ್ಜಂ ಕೃದ ತರಿಗಿಡತೋಂ ತರಿ ತರಿ ತಜ್ಜಂ ಕೃದ ತರಿಗಿಡತೋಂ ತರಿ ತರಿ ತಜ್ಜಂ ಕೃದ ತರಿಗಿಡತೋಂ
வீனர ஸ்ரீ தஞ்ச பூரினி வேலையூ மாப்ருஹதீஷ
All the way from India. Give it up again, guys, for Adi. Give it up all the way from India.
Thank you all so much. I hope you enjoyed that Bharatanatyam performance. Next up, also from Adi, is Victoria Dutt, who will be performing Hindi classics. Hindi classics, it's from the pop culture of India. You all must be familiar with Indian movies, Hindi films, and all the songs and dances that are part of it. So we carefully select the ones that really maintain that South Asian vibe, maybe drawing a bit from the classical or a bit from the folk songs and dances of India. And we keep that Indian culture alive through that as well. Enjoy.
ನನ್ನಾರೆ 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 ನನ್ನರೆ
Alrighty, Victoria, come back. Anjana, take your final bow. Very proud of these two students. They work hard. They attend classes very regularly. They practice on their own at home, and they're trying their best. Thank you all for being a great audience today. Take a bow, both of you. Thank you all. Enjoy the rest of the afternoon.